Chapter 8. What is lean? In this chapter, you will learn what is lean, what are value-added and non-value-added activities, what is Kaizen. Lean is a tool-based methodology focused on eliminating waste from a process so that all the activities in a process add value from the customer's perspective. Example: Lean is a philosophy that shortens the timeline between the customer order and the shipment by eliminating waste. Value-added and non-value-added. Value-added: any activity in a process that adds value from the customer's perspective is called as a value-added activity. Non-value-added: any activity that does not add market form or function or is not necessary. These activities should be eliminated, simplified, reduced, or integrated. Kaizen. Kaizen is an acronym of two Japanese words, Kai and Zen, which means change for the better. It is defined as any improvement idea in and around workplace. Continuous small improvements by everybody in all areas of operations is the most powerful way of reducing variation and defects due to common causes. Summary: in this chapter, you learned Lean is a tool-based methodology focused on eliminating waste from a process. Each process may have value-added and non-value-added activities. Our job is to eliminate non-value-added activities. Kaizen is any small improvement done by everybody in all areas of operation.